Well, a nice looking 750 Norton. Interesting. Pretty well complete. Says it has some tranny problems. We'll check that out. Here's your stock original. Except he's got Mikuni carbs on it. How interesting. Going into the stock air box too. Wow. That's interesting by itself. I didn't know you could do that. All right. That's a flat bottom tank. I wonder if that's a high rider tank. This bike might have started life as a high rider. Huh. A lot of high riders turned into roadsters. Okay, pretty complete. Wow, look at that. That's a heck of a manifold setup. Huh. Kind of cool. And box of goodies.